In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks online through PNC Bank. Ordering checks online is a convenient option that saves both time and effort, and PNC Bank makes the process straightforward. Let's explore how you can get started. First, you'll need to log into your PNC Online Banking account. Make sure you have your user ID and password handy. If you've forgotten your login credentials, PNC offers ways to recover this information, so don't worry. Once you're in, ensure you're navigating securely by checking for a secure connection symbol in your browser bar. Next, head over to the Order Checks and Supplies page. You'll start by clicking on the Customer Service tab. From there, look under the Manage Accounts section. You'll see the option to order checks and supplies. Click on it and find the account for which you need checks. Once you've identified the right account, move to the Order column and click on Checks to begin the ordering process. Now here's the fun part where you get to personalize your checks. Choose your desired check style or design if PNC offers multiple templates. The goal is to pick something that suits your taste while serving the primary purpose of the checks. You'll also want to confirm the details that will appear on the check, including your name, address, and phone number. Accuracy here is key, so double check everything. After that, select the quantity of checks you wish to order. The option could depend on how much you're planning to use them. As you proceed, review the available shipping options and any associated fees. It's crucial to be aware of potential costs and delivery time. PNC also offers a convenient optional feature called Automatic Check Reorder. If you find yourself ordering checks frequently, this could be a time saver, ensuring you always have checks available when you need them. Once you've gone through all these selections and you're sure everything looks correct, it's time to submit your order. PNC will process your order, and the checks will be sent to your address on file. For those who aren't as comfortable with online ordering, PNC provides alternative methods. You can visit your local PNC branch in person and place an order. If you prefer speaking to someone, simply call PNC customer service to order over the phone. Alternatively, you can use a third-party check supplier, but remember, you'll need your routing number and account number for this option. After placing your order, the next step is to wait for delivery. Typically, this takes several business days. However, if you find yourself in a pinch and need them sooner, check if expedited shipping options are available. Ordering checks online with PNC Bank is a reliable and efficient process. Whether you're doing it online, over the phone, or in person, PNC offers flexible options to suit your needs. Happy check ordering!